Unraveling the Meanings. Understanding Backbite. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our English language learning channel. Today, we have a very interesting topic to discuss: the phrase, backbite. This is a term you might come across in books, movies, or everyday conversations, and it's important to understand what it means and how to use it correctly. So, let's dive right in and explore the world of backbite. Backbite is a verb, and it means to speak negatively or maliciously about someone who is not present. In simpler terms, when you backbite, you are talking about someone behind their back in a way that is unkind or harmful. This is considered a negative behavior as it can spread rumors, damage reputations, and create misunderstandings. To help you understand how backbite is used in sentences, let's go through some examples. 1. It is not fair to backbite about colleagues at work. It creates a toxic environment. 2. Even though Sarah and Emily are friends, Sarah tends to backbite about Emily when she is not around. 3. Backbiting can ruin friendships and trust among people. As you can see from these examples, backbite is used to describe the action of talking negatively about someone when they are not there to defend themselves. Understanding synonyms can help enrich your vocabulary. Here are some synonyms for backbite. 1. Gossip. Talking about someone's personal life when they are not present. 2. Slander. Making false spoken statements to damage someone's reputation. 3. Badmouth. Criticizing someone. 4. Defame. Damaging the good reputation of someone. These words have similar meanings but are used in slightly different contexts. Backbiting can lead to negativity and strained relationships. It's important to be aware of our words and strive to speak positively about others, even when they are not around. Encouraging a positive and supportive environment is crucial in any community, be it at work, school, or in our personal lives. Thank you for watching. We hope this video has helped clarify the meaning of backbite and shown you why it's important to avoid such behavior. Remember, a positive and supportive community starts with our own actions and words. Let's choose to uplift rather than bring down. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more content. See you in the next video.